Tired of your block blast scores looking like this? Then get ready to unlock the genius strategies that will transform you from a beginner to a block blast master. We're diving straight in. First up, corner control. Always try to leave empty spaces in the corners of your board. Corners are notoriously difficult to fill later, so prioritize setting yourself up for future block placements in these key areas. Next, think vertically. While horizontal lines are common, strategically place long blocks to create vertical opportunities. Clearing multiple lines at once earns you huge bonus points. Don't be afraid to hold blocks. That little hold slot is your secret weapon. If a block doesn't fit perfectly right now, stash it for later, when it can complete a line or set up a combo. Master the combo streak. Clearing lines in quick succession builds a combo multiplier, dramatically increasing your score. Focus on creating placements that will immediately lead to more line clears. Finally, always think 1 or 2 moves ahead. Don't just react to the immediate blocks. Visualize how future pieces will fit and set up the board accordingly. Practice these simple tips and get ready to blast your way to a high score.